Hello everyone, welcome to the Business Safari. I'm Leo, and today we're exploring target marketing. Target marketing is a crucial strategy that helps businesses focus their efforts on the customers most likely to buy their products or services. It's about being efficient with your marketing resources. Think of target marketing as choosing the right audience for your message. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, you concentrate on specific groups of potential customers who are most likely to be interested in what you're offering. Target marketing involves three main steps. Let's break them down together. 1. Market segmentation. 2. Market targeting. And 3. Market positioning. Let's look at each of these in more detail so we can gain a better understanding. The first step is market segmentation. This is where you divide your potential customers into groups based on common characteristics. For example, you might segment by age, income, lifestyle, or buying behavior. The goal is to identify groups of customers with similar needs or preferences. We covered this in our previous video on market segmentation, remember? The second step is market targeting. Here you evaluate each segment and choose which ones to focus on. You'll consider factors like the segment's size, growth potential, and how well your product or service meets their needs. You might select one segment or several, depending on your business goals and resources. For instance, a luxury car brand might target high-income professionals, while a family minivan maker might focus on parents with young children. The final step is market positioning. This is about how you want your product or service to be perceived by your target market. It's about creating a unique image in the minds of your customers. You'll consider your product's features, benefits, and how it compares to competitors. For example, a smartphone company might position itself as innovative and cutting edge, or as providing the best value for money. We will dive a bit deeper into market positioning in our next video. Let's use an example to see how this works. Imagine we're selling running shoes. First, let's segment the market. We might divide it like this: casual joggers, competitive runners, people who wear running shoes for fashion. After evaluating these segments, we decide to target competitive runners. Why? Perhaps we've found that this segment is growing, has higher spending power, and values the advanced technology we've put into our shoes. For the positioning step, we decide to position our shoes as high-performance, durable, and technologically advanced. By following these target marketing steps, we've created a clear, focused strategy for our running shoe business. This allows us to use our marketing resources more efficiently and speak directly to the needs and desires of our chosen market segment. The benefits of target marketing are significant. It allows for more efficient use of marketing resources. You can tailor your message to resonate with your chosen audience. It can lead to higher conversion rates and customer loyalty, and it helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Remember, target marketing doesn't mean excluding people. It's about focusing your marketing efforts where they're most likely to pay off. Understanding and implementing target marketing can significantly improve the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Let's summarize what we've learned about target marketing. It involves focusing on specific groups of potential customers. The process includes segmentation, targeting, and positioning. It helps use marketing resources more efficiently. It allows for more tailored and effective marketing messages. And it can lead to better results and stronger customer relationships. And that wraps up our introduction to target marketing. I'm Leo, and thank you for watching our video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business videos.